How to easily earn crypto in Trust Wallet by staking. So if you want to easily earn crypto in Trust Wallet by staking, it's actually quite very simple. Assuming you've already logged in and set up your wallet, you first have to make sure to fund your wallet and so on. Now from here, you need to simply access the staking feature by simply selecting a cryptocurrency that you own. Once you do that, select the cryptocurrency you want to stake from your wallets list, then tap on more, and after selecting more, you'll find the option to basically stake it. So right here, you'll find the option to stake if you have it. Select stake or stake now. Once done, you have to select the validator, enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Now you can start earning rewards when your stake is confirmed. The rewards are usually distributed periodically depending on the coin staking protocol. You can also monitor your staking through the Trust Wallet interface. You can go to the same coin screen and you'll see the details about your staked amount and earned rewards. You can also unstake when you're ready. If you want to access your staked funds, you can keep in mind that cryptocurrencies have a lockup period, meaning you may need to wait a certain number of days before your funds become available after restaking. So hope this video helped you as to how you can easily earn crypto in Trust Wallet by staking. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.